Introduction. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm Hamza Khanzada, and today we're going on an exciting animal adventure. Are you ready to learn the names of some amazing animals?
Jungle Safari host, our adventure begins in the dense jungles, where we'll encounter some incredible creatures. Are you excited? I know I am. Look over there, it's a majestic animal with a beautiful mane. Can you guess its name? That's right.
Ocean exploration host. Now, let us dive into the deep blue sea. Whoa, look at that. It's a creature with 8 long arms. Can you tell me its name? You're absolutely right, it's an octopus.
African Savannah host. Next, we're off to the vast plains of Africa. Look at those tall animals with long necks, grazing in the distance. Can you guess their name? Yes, it's a giraffe.
Arctic adventure host, BRRR, it's chilly here in the Arctic, but the animals here are adapted to survive in the freezing temperatures. Look, there's a cute, furry creature sliding on its belly. Can you name it? That's a penguin.
Rainforest encounter host. In the lush rainforests, we discover a colorful bird with a long beak and vibrant feathers. Can you identify it? Absolutely, it's a toucan.
Conclusion. That was such an amazing animal adventure. We learned the names of so many incredible creatures today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember, there are countless animals out there, each with their own unique qualities. Keep exploring and learning about the fascinating world of animals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on our next adventure.
Outro, host. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, let us know in the comments which animals you'd like to learn about next. Until then, stay curious and keep learning. Bye.